Window Air Conditioner Market Report. According to Cognitive Market Research, the global window air conditioner market size will be $36,142.5 million in 2024. It will expand at a CAGR of 6% from 2024 to 2031. North America window air conditioner market size of $14,457.00 million in 2024 and will grow at a CAGR of 4.2% from 2024 to 2031. Europe window air conditioner market size of $10,842.75 million. Asia Pacific window air conditioner market size of $8,312.78 million in 2024 and will grow at a CAGR of 8% from 2024 to 2031. Latin America window air conditioner market size of $1,807.13 million in 2024 and will grow at a CAGR of 5.4% from 2024 to 2031. Middle East and Africa window air conditioner market size of $722.85 million in 2024 and will grow at a CAGR of 5.7% from 2024 to 2031. Access the free sample copy to know the market dynamics, competitor analysis, regional analysis, country analysis, segment analysis, market trends, technological trends, SWOT analysis, and more.